Hi and welcome to the short division video level 1. So what is short division for? Well, it is a written method that we can use to divide numbers by a single digit. So if we wanted to divide 27 by 3, or if we wanted to divide 45 by 9 or 362 by a single digit, this is a written method that we would use, and it's called short division. And this video is going to explain how we do it. So here are 4 examples, so let's have a look how we approach a short division question. So the first example, we've got 55 divided by 5. So we can think of this in 2 ways. We can think of it as 55 shared amongst 5 things, or we can use this to calculate how many 5s actually fit in to 55. Now I've chosen easy numbers on purpose because this is level 1 short division. So this is meant to be an introduction to the written method. So step 1 then is we're going to draw a kind of little line and a curly brace. And then what we do is we write the number that we're going to divide underneath. And then the number that we're dividing it by goes on the outside. And then the next step is that we are then going to take each digit in turn. So this 55, there's 2 digits. So I'm going to ask myself this first question. And it's how many 5s go into this first 5, this first digit? And the answer is 1. So that 1 goes across there. And then I've finished with this digit now. Now I'm going to move across to the second digit. How many 5s go into the second 5? And the answer is 1. And so there we are. We've used short division to help us work out our first example. So 55 divided by 5 is 11. Right, if we move on to example number 2. So it's exactly the same. So first step is we're going to draw kind of the line and the curly brace. Write the number that we're dividing underneath. And then the number that we're dividing it by goes on the outside. And then how many, this time it's not going to be 5, it's going to be 2. So how many 2s go into 4? The answer is 2. And how many 2s go into the second 4? And the answer is 2. So 44 divided by 2 gives me 22. If we look at example number 3, now this is 4 digits long, but it doesn't matter. The process, the method is exactly the same. It doesn't change. All it's going to change is your line and your curly brace are just going to get a bit wider. So write your numbers underneath. So 4,284, the number that we're dividing it by is 2. 4 digits this time. So how many 2s go into 4? There's 2. How many 2s go into 2? 1. How many 2s go into 8? Well, that's 4. Then how many 2s go into 4? That's 2. So 4,284 divided by 2, and the answer is 2,142. Right, and then example 4, again, slightly longer example. So my curly brace and my line gets longer. So 4, 2, 8, 4, 6 underneath. I'm dividing it by 2. So 2s into 4 go 2. 2s into 2 go 1. How many 2s go into 8? That's 4. How many 2s go into 4? That's 2. And then how many 2s go into 6? That's 3. So 42,846 shared amongst 2 things is 21,423. So there are 5 practice questions for you to have a go on short division level 1. Have a go at those, and then we'll go through the answers in the answer walkthrough video that accompanies this one. Thanks for watching this video from Maths from Scratch. We'll see you soon.